Good afternoon, everyone. We're preparing to square our positions before the end of today. Today is Friday, September the 3rd. We're getting into the long weekend. The market is, as you all know, is quite thin, and most of the traders are already packed and ready to go. We did have the unemployment number coming out in the United States, and as you can see here, that most of the yen pairs, the Aussie yen is up 100 pips, the CAD yen is up 158 pips, the pound yen is 105, and the dollar yen is about 54 pips higher, and of course the euro yen is 93. That indicates that in addition to the number that came out slightly positive, and as I indicated to you in yesterday's blog, this was what we have seen into yesterday. That was the setup we had, and based on the and as I shared with you that the market has prior or coming into the news, like we were preparing to trade the news, the market was selling off, discounting the bad economic numbers or the anticipated bad economic numbers about the US economy. Then we got into the sideways pattern, which the liquidation or the everybody that wanted to sell has already sold, and there is no more shorts. And now getting into the news, or getting into the beginning of the weekend, as soon as the news came out, now everybody, there is no fresh new shorts. The market has discounted the news, and now the typical behavior is that we are now going to take our profits or cover our shorts and begin to move into the opposite direction. This was, as you recall from yesterday, was our indication that the market is breaking to the upside, and that was our buying point above 84.60, and you can see that in yesterday's video blog. Or of course, if the news is extremely negative and the market is going to crash down, this would have been our breakout to the downside, and we would be selling only below the 83.60 level. So having said that, of course, we're getting into the weekend. No one wants to take a long yen position with all the jawboning that's coming out of the Bank of Japan and the Ministry of Finance. Nobody wants to go taking a position contrary to the wishes, if you will, or the desires of the Bank of Japan. They are notorious in actually coming in and getting into the market. They love to intervene when the market is on a vacation or when the traders are on a holiday. So with that said, it's expected that all our traders, or all the traders, nobody wants to go into the market short the dollar and long the yen. So that's why as soon as we had the first positive news, or slightly positive news in the unemployment, everybody rushed in to buy. And of course, you can expect a continuation to the upside the closer we get towards the end of the session. So for the time being, we are liquidating our long yen position, and we're looking to get there is no point in initiating a new position right now, but if you want to day trade or scalp, it might be you should be looking at actually selling the yen and buying all the yen crosses. Okay, good luck.